Welcome to day 21. We're just leaving the town of Toa. Had a nice rest day here, escaping the heat. Apart from being accosted by that woman yesterday at the train station, still a little bit rattled, but I'll be happy once we get out of town. Nice kind of cycle path to start with. It's a much cooler day today. I think when we left the hotel it was down to about 22 degrees. Much nicer way to start the day. And I think it's only going to go to a high of 33 today, so that's not so bad. It's nice having a rest in the hotel. It's great to get back out on the bikes again. Well, this is nice cycling through here. Wineries for as far as the eye can see. Nice easy cycling today. I can see why this route's so popular. Got our baguette, a very French bread. What?
It's not French.
What do you mean it's not French? It is, it's a baguette, it's French.
It's not French, no. Austrian.
Really?
Yes. Bakers in Austria invented a system where they could inject steam into their oven to produce a nice crusty bread with a nice soft centre. And that's how the baguette started. The elongation of it was due to a French law which says bakers weren't allowed to bake before 4 o'clock in the morning. And the round loaves took too long to cook. So they elongated it to get the baguette. But the bread itself, the way it's baked, is Austrian.
Oh, there you go. That's something new. In New Zealand, we've got jandal and gumboot fences. In France, they've got water jug fences. Have you guys got any interesting fences in your country? Let us know in the comments below. We just stopped at this quirky little place here. I don't know what it is. What do you think it is, Mike?
I think it's just a resting place out in the sun or out in the rain if it's raining.
It's very quirky. I'll show you around. Not a big fan of cycling on these cobbled roads. Just cycling into the little town of Amboise. And look at this. It's pretty much the wow factor here. Arrived at our campground and we're camping on an island. Do you want to get the tent up before it gets too...
Oh, I'm too hot.
But I can see clouds coming, there's going to be storms.
Too tired.
Why don't you use your magic flute?
I haven't got a magic flute.
What about your magic stick?
I suppose I could, couldn't I?
So storms are forecast for this afternoon, so we've set up our little shelter a different way yet again. Huddle in under there if we need to. There is a shelter over there we can use as well. Be a good test for our tent. That thunder and lightning directly overhead. Shit, it's falling down. What do you think, Mike?
Scary.
It's very intense, isn't it? Very loud.
Yeah.
Right overhead. Stopped at the patisserie to get our baguette for the day. Very French. What?
Excuse me.
What?
French?
Oui.
No. The bell's gone.
How long's that going to go for? I don't know. I have to do it again in a minute.